What's up my good people, welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to earn up to 200 USD weekly online. This is with zero investment, so you don't have to invest anything. You don't need to have money on that is you don't need to invest anything, or you don't need to have money for you to be able to start earning money from these websites. So all you need to do is just visit this website, create an account and start earning. It's very simple. Let's get started. So all you need to do is just create an account, and for you to create an account you'll just click the link in my video description and it will bring you to this website. Create an account, and after you create an account you'll be able to access variety of tasks. This task pays differently. This pays between that is 0.01 USD up to a maximum of 3 USD per task. So the task that you access depend with the time, because there's time the site may have that is a task pays 0.05 at times, 1 USD, 2 USD, 3 USD. So this task varies with the time. So in case, for example, you find the most convenient task like on this website, they are not available at that moment. You just need to keep checking, and within a period of time, or within a short period of time, those tasks will be available. So all you need to just visit this website, create an account and start earning. It's very simple. For example, this task, you can see it is allocated 21.3 USD, and all you need to do is just click training and follow the instruction, complete the training. Once you are done with the training, then from there you can go to access paid task. And now for the paid task, you just need to complete the task. Every single task you complete, actually your money will just update here. You will just update here. In case there are some tasks that are going pending and needs review, they will be, that is a task under review will reflect here. Then any money that is already approved, for example, it is in this green check button. So all you can actually withdraw it, and there are three methods of withdrawing money from this platform. So you can actually withdraw money using that is Pioneer. You can also withdraw using Papara, or you can also withdraw using PayPal. In case you don't have either of you don't have this withdrawal method, so all you need to do is just create either of them depending on your location and the most convenient method with you. Since I started working on this platform, it's actually less than a week. It's actually less than a week. I have not completed. Actually, I have done it for like 4 days, and in those 4 days I have been able to complete a total task of 2,841, and I have only had 18 tasks rejected and 0 tasks under review. And within that period of 4 days, I have earned myself that is a total of 106.64 USD. Actually, this is quite some good amount of money. In case you don't have a job, you don't have anything you can do, you can actually visit this website and start earning yourself some money. If for example you happen to complete this task for a period of that is 1 week, you can actually earn yourself up to 200 USD weekly. So if you are by the end of the month, you have earned yourself that is close to 800 USD, and that is quite some good amount of money. In case you are jobless, you don't have a job, or in case you are looking for a side hustle, you should be able to complete that is part-time, or when you are free, you can actually visit this website and earn yourself some money. And that's all I had for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, on this channel we'll be bringing you methods that you can go to earn money either with zero investment or with investment. So all you need to do is just hit that subscribe button so that you can be able to receive more and more content regarding finances. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.